Alright guys, what's going on? Thanks for joining me in another video. Today I'm installing a cold air intake. Factory intake was up here. Big box, bunch of hoses that came off. It's coming right off the turbo. There was a little bit of modification. The tube was too long, so I had to shorten the tube, and that's going to be the finished product. Have to hook up my crankcase breather hose there, coming off the head right there, and there's a little nipple. I don't know if you could see it right there. I got to connect that, but she's coming along. There's the welder finishing up on the bed on the truck. We're going to be installing the bed next week, hopefully, getting it painted. I'm just doing some final touches. The steps look good. Look at that. Batteries are tucked underneath here. I got to figure out how to fasten the batteries down, some kind of locking mechanism, but it's a lot better than having a battery box. And the matching ones. Looks awesome. Steps look awesome. Want to get the bed on. He's finishing up the headache rack. So, yeah, she's coming along. I took a short break for Christmas, but it's back to work. The truck is running 100%. A few minor things. I still have to test drive it, make sure everything is on the up and up. Spray it quick with the white, get it wrapped, and she'll be ready to work. And still no luck on the body guy. I don't know what the hell's going on. No one wants to work. I had one guy come on, give me some crazy price just to spray the truck, no door jams, just to spray it at white. He wasn't going to go in and do the door jams or anything. He told me $3,000. I said, you lost your mind. There's no way in hell. And he was going to do it here on the property, so dust and other stuff would have got on the paint. And $3,000, that's crazy. I don't know what the going rate is, but I know it's not $3,000 just to put some white on this truck and do a little bit of minor body work. But anyway, I'll post a video here next week. Hopefully I'll have the bed installed. The rims, I got tires, I got to get that on. And yeah, she'll be ready to go. Okay guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.